Hi guys, it's Greta and today I have a tutorial for you how to braid a 4-strand braid. So what I want to do is collect all my hair over my shoulder on one side. I'm going to take 3 fingers, bring them through the hair, and then now that I have my 4 strands, I want to kind of even them out. This one's a little thick. So from the beginning, I'm holding all my strands separate. I'm going to take my index finger and my thumb and pinch the second strand so that my strand can come over it. And I'm going to hold it with my pinky, grab that second strand, and then grab my first strand again with my index finger and thumb. And then I'm going to lift the third strand out of the way so that I can bring my first strand underneath it. Pull that third strand out of the way, and then I'll use my index finger here to kind of hold my first strand and then take my last strand, my 4th strand, under it and then grab it with that index finger so then I can start fresh. Pull them all separate. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And let's do that one more time. I'm going to bring my first strand over, hold it in my pinky so that I can secure my second strand. Kind of let that go into my hand here. I'm bringing my third strand up out of the way while I grab my first strand with my thumb. Grab that third strand with my fingers. Slide my index finger underneath the first strand. And then grab the 4th strand with that index finger and then separate them out. One more time. Pinky grabs that first strand, second strand out of the way. Grab that first strand with the index finger. Bring the third strand up out of the way while I bring my first strand underneath and grab it with my thumb. Hold that strand out of the way. And now I'm going to be bringing my first strand over that last one. And there we have it. You're going to continue this down, over, under, over. Watch that again. Over, under, over. Over, under, over. Once you get the pattern, it's super simple. Over, under, over. And that is our 4-strand braid. Now we can also do this with a Dutch style by folding underneath. So the first strand goes under the second strand, over the third strand, and under the 4th strand. Under, over, under. Okay? Under, over, under, under, over, under. And there you go, your 4-strand braid braided under to begin with. You do see that these end up sticking out a little bit more, that middle section. What makes the 4-strand iconic is that it has this line of braid going through the center. And if you flip it over, same thing here. All right, guys, that concludes our tutorial for our 4-strand braid. I hope that it was broken down into steps that were easy enough for you to follow, but if you do have questions, please leave them in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video or it was helpful for you, please subscribe to my channel. I do make weekly videos with hairstyling content and healthy living. Make sure to hit that notification bell so that you know when they come out. And if you're already subscribed, thank you and welcome back. And thank you for being here again. And I hope to see you all in my next video. See ya.